This is amazing data. These are businesses from Google Maps that I extracted with the tool I'm going to share with you in this video, right? So you'll be able to gather business name, email, phone numbers, right, website, their location, as well as the country or the state that the business is in. So if you want this kind of data, just stick around. Welcome to SAS Media Studio. Let's get into it. Alright, so the tool we are going to use is called Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. Alright, so you are going to use this tool to extract the business data. Now, I am going to show you how you can use this tool to extract business data, and I'm going to show you how you can get this tool. Right, so let me first show you how powerful this tool is. When you get this tool, you can see it is a Chrome extension, right? And it opens at the sidebar. Right, so now I just have to enter the keywords that I want the businesses from. So for instance, I can say, oh, I'm looking for hotels in New York, or maybe hotels in Dallas. I am going to show you how you can make these keywords so that you can get high converting business data, right? So we are going to visit this website called IBISWorld.com, right? And we are going to get list of business models. Yes, so this is the website. So I'm just going to first close the Lead Sniper for now, right? And let's scroll down to check out the business models. So you can see under accommodation and food services, these are business models, right? So we have accommodation and food services as a business model. We have bars and nightclubs. We have bed and breakfast. We have fast food restaurants. So you can just go through all these categories, and now you have to pick the business model you want to target. Like, yes, so for instance, maybe I want to target the finance service, or maybe I want to target the health and the social assistance service, right? So I can first of all, maybe let's say I'm looking for ambulance companies, right? So I can just copy this. Now I want something, okay, so let's go for daycare. I'm going to copy daycare. I'm going to open Notepad and I'm going to paste it in there. Come to the next one. The next one, I'll go for dentist. Just add it to this. The next will be, let me just move from the health section. Let's go to information. I can go for, let's say, magazine companies, anything. All right. Or maybe, yes, I can go for movie industries. So you can just go through and gather at least 10, depending on the kind of businesses that you are looking for, right? So I'm going to quickly pause this video, gather my business models, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Now, the next thing is to talk about the country or the city or the state that we are going to target. So let's say for the purpose of this video, I am going to target United States, right? Or let's say I'm going to target Germany, right? So I'm going to look for cities in Germany, right? So just do a quick search. So just cities in Germany, then enter. All right, so you can see on Wikipedia there are cities there. We can also go to Britannica, right, encyclopedia. So you can see these are all cities in Germany, right? So I'm going to just copy this one, which is Ireland. Daycare in Ireland. Okay, I'm going to paste. I'm going to give command Germany. All right, so that if there are other Ireland cities in other country, they will know that we are focusing on Germany, right? So I can just copy this and add it to, let's say, 3 of them. Okay, so let's use 3 of them. I'm going to just change this. Find another city. So these are the keywords we have been able to gather, right? So now let's go back to, let me close, let me stop this. So after that, you just have to open Lead Sniper. So now we need to paste the keywords inside this, right? So I'm going to copy it once again, just to be sure. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to Ctrl+V to paste it inside here, right? Good. So now you just have to scroll down and just click on start scraping, and you just grab yourself some coffee and relax for the extraction to be completed. Right. So as you can see, we have already found 3 leads now and still counting. So I'm just going to wait for it to grab as many leads as possible. All right, as you can see, we have been able to gather 1,006 business leads. All right, so now all you have to do is just click on the result icon over here, right? And you can click on view data dashboard so that you can see the list of data you have been able to gather. Now you can click on export over here, then you click on whether CSV, XLSX, or JSON, right? So I'm just going to select this, which is the Excel file, and I just click on that and it will automatically download, right? So I'm just going to click on that to open it, and this is the data we have been able to gather. Now I'm going to show you how you can get these two and how you can install it. So I'll leave the link of their website in the description. All you have to do is just visit their website. Okay, so this is their website. Alright, I am going to show you how you can install it on Microsoft Edge browser. So I am accessing the website through the Edge browser, right? So all you have to do is scroll down till you see start your free trial today, right? This one, and just click on add to Edge. And now click on get and click on add extension. Alright, done. All you have to do is just click on the extension icon and click on the pin sign in front of it, right? Just click on it and you can see the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper open, right? Now, this is the free trial, alright? You can get 40 leads for this free trial. Now, if you want to get unlimited, you just have to click on upgrade. You just click on I already have a license if you have a license key, and just enter your license key. So I just click on it and just enter your license key. But if you don't have a license key, just click on go back and click on buy license key. Alright, so this is the pricing for Lead Sniper's Google Maps Scraper. Now, before I walk you through, let's check out other platforms like Octopass, like G Maps Extractor. We also have the Bot Sol, and we also have the Out Scraper. We are going to compare the pricing of these 4 tools with Lead Sniper's Google Maps Scraper to check which one is the cheapest and the best to go for, right? Yes, so I am going to try to be transparent as possible, right? So that you know what to choose, right? Yes, so now you can see Out Scraper also has Google Maps Scraper. Okay, I'm just going to click on that, and this is their pricing. So they have a free trial, and they have the medium tier, and they have the business tier, right? And you're going to pay $3 per 1,000 records. So that is for the Out Scraper, right? Now let's go to the Bot Sol, and with the Bot Sol we are going to pay $50 for 6 months, and you are going to pay $100 for professional, which is 3 PC, right? The $50 is 1 PC for 6 months. For just 6 months, this is professional, 3 PCs for 6 months, and you're going to pay $100, right? The next one is G Maps Extractor. So with G Maps Extractor, you are going to pay $39 per month and $99 per month. One is 100,000 leads and 500,000 leads. And let's check Octopass as well. And you can see with Octopass, you are going to pay $69 per month. All right, this is monthly basis, right? So one good thing about Lead Sniper is that you are going to make one-time payment of $149. And that is all. You don't have to pay anything again. You are going to get lifetime support. You are going to get lifetime update. You are going to get unlimited leads. You can gather 1 million leads. That's your own cup of tea. So that is how powerful Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper is. So the choice is yours. Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comment at the comment section, and let's meet in the next video.